welcome to the screen, and in this video we are going to learn option strike prices in the money, at the money, or out of the money. So how we are going to categorize these three of the options strike prices. So let's learn. So first one is in the money options, the strike price which we have chosen for Nifty, Bank Nifty, or maybe for some particular stocks. Then it is in the money options, also options which have some intrinsic value. And the another is ATM at the money strike price for call or put, or option which strike price closes to current market price. And the third one is out of the money OTM, we call it OTM, options which have no intrinsic value and only time value. Okay, in previously video we have seen there are the option premium made of two components. The first one is intrinsic value and the second one is time value. So according to the current market, with comparison with the current market price, we are going to categorize the options are in the money, at the money, or maybe out of the money. So let's understand with the one example. So I have taken one Bank Nifty call option example. This is the Bank Nifty call option example. The Bank Nifty market price is trading around 22,000. This is hypothetical example to understand how to categorize in the money, out of the money, and at the money strike prices. So if Bank Nifty trading at 22,000, then the strike price is like 21,900, 21,800, and 21,700. These are the strike prices of call options. We called it in the money options because the strike prices is less than the current market price. You need to understand the correlation between the strike price and current market price is whenever in the case of options, okay, call options. In the case of call options, whenever the strike price is less than the current market price, those are the strike prices. We call it in the money call options. Because 22,000 is 21,900 is less than 22,000, 21,800 is less than 22,000, 21,700 again less than 22,000 level. So these are the strike prices. We called it in the money, and the strike price is above the 22,000, which we are marking as a current market price CMP, 22,100, 22,200, and 22,300. These are the strike prices. We call it out of the money call options in the case of Bank Nifty call options, because here you need to understand the correlation between the strike price and current market price. Whenever the strike price is greater than current market price, we call it out of the money call options. And 22,000 strike price, we call it at the money because market price and strike price at the same level. So we call it at the money call options. So now you are very clear. Whenever the strike price is less than the current market price, we call it in the money. But remember, in the case of call options only. In the put option, it's almost 360-degree opposite. So you need to understand in call options, whenever the strike price is less than the current market price, we call it in the money strike prices. And whenever strike price is greater than current market price CMP, we call it out of the money call options. And the strike price which we have chosen and the market price is almost same level. In this case, we took the 22,000 Bank Nifty level. But if Bank Nifty trading around 22,025 or 22,050, then we also called it at the money because it is nearer to strike price and current market price is very near. So 22,000 strike price, we call it at the money strike price. Now let's understand the example of put options. In the case of Bank Nifty, same market price is trading around 22,000. So strike price is 21,900, 21,800, and 21,700. These are the strike prices. We called it out of the money, called put options. because here you need to understand the correlation. Whenever the strike price is less than current market price, we call it out of the money put option. And whenever the strike price is greater than the current market price, we call it in the money put options. Okay, so this is a totally opposite of call options. Okay, you need to remember. If you are not able to understand, then revise this video again and again and watch it again with this example. And I will show you with one table correlation, so you will get easily identify whether the call or put options are in the money, out of the money, or at the money. So again, I'm explaining. The market price is trading around 22,000. So strike prices like 21,900, 800, and 700 are the out of the money put options, because it is the strike prices is less than current market price. And whenever the strike prices is greater than current market price, in the case of put options, we call it in the money put options. And 22,000 strike prices, we can call it at the money strike price. So now you are very clear with this example of Bank Nifty call option and put options. Now let's understand the matrix. So here is the matrix. In the case of call, whenever the strike price is less than current market price, we call it in the money. The first case here. Whenever the strike price is equal to the current market price, we call it at the money. And whenever the strike price is greater than current market price, we call it out of the money call options. In the case of call, here is the first one. Exactly opposite in the case of put. Whenever the strike price is greater than the current market price, we called it in the money. Strike price is equal to current market price, we called it at the money strike put option. And whenever the strike price is less than current market price, we call it out of the money put options. So just remember and learn this matrix. It will help you to identify ITM, ATM, or OTM, whether the call or put options are ITM, ATM, and OTM. So this is the very basic about identifying whether the call options or put options are ITM, ATM, or OTM. So I hope you guys have clear about this ITM, ATM, and OTM strike prices in case of call and put. Let's check some examples, and this is the daily chart of Bank Nifty, and last close is trading around 21,613. So if the strike price, the nearest strike price is, we call it 21,600, because it is trading around 21,613. So 21,600 call and put, both of the options are at the money, because it is already almost near the same. Okay, and in Bank Nifty especially, 50 point, 100 point is a very minor difference, and the strike price difference by default is 100 points in Bank Nifty. So 21,600 is our, so I'm writing here 21,600 call and put, both are, we call it ATM, okay, at the money, because it is nearer to same strike price. So what in case of call options of 21,500, 21,400, and 21,300? So I'm just sharing my whiteboard. Let's understand this example, live example. So if your Bank Nifty current market price is 21,613, so 21,600 call and put, both are at the money, call and put options. So in the case of call, 21,500, 21,400, and 21,300. These are the strike prices which are less than the current market price. Okay, and what is the rule for what indicates whenever the strike price is less than the current market price? In the case of call, options? Yes, it is in the money. We called it ITM, in the money call options, because the strike prices is less than current market price. Okay, and the strike prices which have, in the case of call, 21,000 above 600, the strike ATM is 21,600. So about 21,600 is like 21,700, 21,800, and 21,900. These are the strike prices. We call it OTM, out of the money. Okay, so strike prices is greater than current market price. In the case of call options, we call it out of the money call options. And if its strike prices is less than current market price, we call it in the money call options. Okay, so now very clear with this example of Bank Nifty, and this is a recent example because 21,630 is the last closing of Bank Nifty. So let's understand in the case of put options. So Bank Nifty 21,630. So in the same case, ATM is 21,600 is our ATM call and put option also. So let's discuss in case of put options. Put options. So whenever the strike price is less than current market price, so 21,600 we call it right now ATM. So below the 21,600 is like 21,500, 21,400, and 21,300. These are the strike prices less than the current market price, and we call it out of the money call of put options or OTM. Okay, and because here you can see the strike prices is less than the current market price. In case of put options, we call it out of the money put options. And in the case of put options, whenever the strike price is greater than current market price, like 21,700, 21,800, 21,900, these are the strike prices. We call it ITM, because it is in the money. We call it in the money. Strike prices are greater than the current market price. In the case of put options, we call it in the money put options. So now we are very clear with this recent example of Bank Nifty, and do your homework about more and more strike prices with some other stocks, Nifty index, Bank Nifty index. Do your practice and try to understand ATM, ITM, so and OTM. That's it from my side, and I am giving you one homework. Find out more examples with some stocks, Nifty strike prices, Bank Nifty strike prices, and try to understand, identify whether the call options is in the money call option, out of the money call option, or at the money call option. Same in case, do your more practice on finding out whether the put option is at the money, in the money, or out of the money. So I hope you are doing your homework and you will learn out of this video also. And I hope I have added some value in your knowledge about options trading. So that's it from my side. And if you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.